Today we will learn about the movements of our planet Earth. We have already known that every planet, including our Earth, revolves round the Sun, and the Sun lies in the center of the solar system. Earth has two types of movements: rotation and revolution. You have seen a top at your home, isn't it? If you look carefully, you can notice that it spins on its pointed end. Likewise, the earth also spins like the top, but it spins on its axis. Now, what is axis? If you look at the picture, you can see there is an imaginary line running from north to south through the center of the earth. This imaginary line is called axis, but the axis of the earth is not straight. Axis of the earth is not straight, it is tilted, that means leaning slightly. If you look at the picture, you can see it clearly. The earth spins on this imaginary line, that means the axis. The movement of the earth on its imaginary line like a top is called rotation. Now we will discuss about the result and the importance of rotation. If you look at the picture, you can see that there is an axis, or you can see imaginary line, which is the axis of the earth, and the earth spins around this axis. Earth rotates from west to east. One complete rotation takes one whole day. At the time of rotation, the part of the earth which faces the sun has day, and the opposite part that is away from the sun has night. Look at the picture very carefully so that you can see how the rotation makes day and night. In your previous chapter, you have learned that the earth revolves or moves around the sun on its own orbit. Now, this movement of the earth is called revolution. Now we will discuss about another movement of the earth, which is revolution. A revolution of the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours, but we usually round the days in a calendar year to 365. To make up for the missing partial day, we need to add one day to our calendar approximately every 4 years. That is leap year. Now we will discuss about the result or the importance of the revolution of the earth. The movement of the earth around the sun causes change of seasons. We experience spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, and winter depending on the amount of sunlight that we get at different times of the year. Since the sun is our only source of light, energy, and heat, the part of the earth which faces the sun and receives direct rays of the sun has summer. The part which is away from the sun and receives slanting rays has winter. So we can sum up in one sentence that the revolution brings the changes in the seasons.